Welcome to Mobile Munch, tech lovers. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Motorola Moto G85. It's rumored to be the next big thing from Motorola, and we've got the scoop on what to expect. Design and build. The Moto G85 is set to sport a sleek design with a glass front, a plastic frame, and an option for an eco-leather back. It's a blend of modern aesthetics and practicality, with an IP54 rating for dust and splash resistance. Display. Get ready for a visual feast with the Moto G85 6.67-inch OLED display, boasting 1 billion colors and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It's a display that promises to make everything look better. Performance. Powering this device is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 3 chipset, which should provide ample power for your daily needs. With options for up to 16 GB of RAM, this phone is gearing up to be a multitasking powerhouse. Camera. The dual camera setup includes a 50MP main sensor with OIS and an 8-megapixels ultra-wide lens. It's a camera system that's ready to capture your moments with clarity and breadth. Battery life. With a 5000 mAh battery and 30W charging, the Moto G85 is built to keep you going all day and get you quickly recharged when needed. Audio and extras. Motorola hasn't forgotten about audio lovers, as the Moto G85 features stereo speakers and a 3.5mm jack with 24-bit, 192 kHz high-res audio support. Plus, it's ready for motos, ready for platform, expanding your phone's capabilities. The Motorola Moto G85 is shaping up to be a solid mid-range contender with features that promise to deliver a well-rounded experience. Whether it will live up to the expectations, we'll have to wait and see. That's all for our preview of the Motorola Moto G85. If you're excited about this phone, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Until next time, stay tech savvy.